welcome to another great episode on Culinary Image. Today we are going back to our roots in the Middle East, in Dubai, to create and cook one of my favorite snacks, and that is falafel. Just a few weeks ago I was having a debate on Instagram as far as what makes the perfect or the best falafel out there. Well, it's simple, guys. The right ingredients. The main key to any good, perfect dish. Now, to make a falafel, there are three main ingredients. One is your fresh parsley, the other one is coriander, and third, the most important, where 80% of people out there do not use because they're not maybe aware of it, and that is your dill, my friends. That's right. Dill is one of the key secret ingredients to make that delicious flavored falafel out there. So now that you know, we will be frying our falafel today. No, we're not baking it. If you're health conscious, by all means, more power to you, go ahead and bake it. But this recipe that I'm creating today particularly is meant to be fried. I have not tried baking it, so if you want to, by all means, go ahead and make sure you let me know how it turned out to be. Well, guys, we have a lot to do, so let's get busy. Let's move it. And these are your main key ingredients to a perfect falafel, which is parsley, fresh dill, and fresh coriander. So next we will go ahead to make the mixture. We'll put a handful of greens, the mixed greens. All the parsley, the coriander, and the dill have been mixed together. And then we will add the beans, enough just to layer to the top, and 2 cloves of garlic. Now next we will go ahead and process the mixture. Make sure you don't turn it into a fine paste. We need a little bit of grainy texture in there. Once you have blended all your ingredients into a mixture, there's one key ingredient that I do not want you to guys miss, and that is baking powder. This is the secret ingredient that will give your falafel that fluffy, soft, moist texture. So if you don't want your falafel to dry out, make sure you use baking powder in there. Now, if you don't have a falafel maker, you could always use 2 round spoons like that and take a little bit, put it inside the spoon, and just simply shave it from the sides, and this will give you a perfect shape of falafel.
Carefully drop the falafel patties in the oil. Let them fry for about 3 to 5 minutes or so until crispy and medium brown on the outside. Avoid crowding the falafel in the saucepan. Fry them in batches if necessary.
Guys, let me show you how to crunch your hunger with this amazing falafel sandwich right here. This, my friends, is beyond fantastic. This is what makes a perfect falafel. 2 things. The crunch from the outside and that fluffiness from the inside. If you could achieve these 2, my friend, then you've got yourself the ultimate falafel sandwich. Until next time, guys. Peace out.